Welcome back to Griffin Art and Airbrushing. I had a few people question how to get the trigger back into the Paasche VL. And that was the part I did not show in my previous video. Sorry about that. Sometimes it does take a little time to get this in. So I just wanted to show you how it goes in there. I have a light set up over my camera. Hopefully you can see all the way down inside the brush. And we're going to take it out. And I'm going to show you from the top. I'm going to point it out with my needle here. See that little hole? That's what you're aiming for. And it has to be straight, and it has to go down into this hole straight. You can't have this bottom hinge bending or anything. So I will try to do this with a camera in my face here. It's got to go straight down. Sometimes gravity can help, hold it straight. There. Put it in, and now you have your trigger in the airbrush. So, thank you for watching my videos. Please like and subscribe. That way you'll know when a new video comes out. And I hope to do more in the future. Have a nice day.